Sophisticated, elevated, efficient. Daikin ALTHERMA 3HHT goes beyond comfort, offering homeowners a way to harmonize their home with their lifestyle. This isn't just about temperature control. It's about creating balance and transforming your home. Designed with purpose, ALTHERMA 3HHT is an investment in comfort and energy efficiency that breaks the barriers of conventional heating and cooling systems. As an air-to-water heat pump, it's a complete 3-in-1 solution, delivering heating, cooling, and domestic hot water with all-climate sustainable performance. Space and water heating represent the largest energy burden for North American homeowners. As regions transition away from fossil fuels to meet climate targets, the need for efficient alternatives has never been greater. ALTHERMA 3HHT is the answer. Engineered to replace boilers and furnaces across a wide range of hydronic applications. It delivers up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving water temperature, operating down to -18 degrees Fahrenheit, and maintains high heating capacity even in cold climates. At its heart is Daikin's signature heat pump technology, utilizing ambient air and transforming it into powerful hydronic heating and cooling. The outdoor unit features innovative high-capacity single-fan design, Daikin's signature compressor technology, and advanced sound reduction insulation, all housed in a stylish gray casing with a sleek black grille. Inside, the wall-mounted unit integrates all hydraulic components for seamless installation and configuration. The highly insulated stainless steel domestic hot water tank is available in 3 sizes: 40, 50, and 80 gallons, providing flexibility for any application. The system offers remarkable flexibility. Pair it with existing emitters like baseboards or radiators, or integrate it with heat pump convectors, hydronic air handlers, and in-floor radiant heating. Floor standing and high-wall heat pump convectors bring efficient heating and cooling to every room. Their modern, slim design delivers high-capacity performance with whisper-quiet operation. Heat pump convectors work like radiators, but fast. An integrated fan speeds up the heating cycle through forced convection. Switch to cooling mode and the same convectors circulate cool air throughout the room. For ducted applications, a hydronic air handler connects to the ALTHERMA loop, providing centralized heating and cooling for your entire home. With Daikin ALTHERMA 3HHT, unlock the right balance, energy efficiency, sustainability, tailored comfort, and whisper-quiet operation. Elevate possibilities. Elevate comfort. Elevate quiet. Take comfort to new heights with Daikin ALTHERMA.